Alright, y'all, here we are. Yeah, it's a rainy morning here. We're out here in the traffic. And here's the dog there. I gotta get my coffee. I got my Cher playing in the background from Pandamonia. She rocks. How's my dog doing? The dog's back there. How's Patty? Say hello to the camera. Alright, we're cruising out this morning here. Going down by the river. Here we are on weather happening today. Weather issues. I have no idea. But here's this girl here in her car here. Driving with a coffee in one hand. And a kid. I gotta get a better shot of that. Okay, she's kind of cute anyway, but anyway. Alright, this is Sodsy. This is Chris. Alright, here we are. It's a rainy day in Florida. This is the morning crazy people out here, people. I would normally not be filming like this. And yeah, she's kind of cute. And there's a kid, her and a kid driving with a coffee in her hand. You see that? Driving with the coffee. Alright, here we go. How we doing here? Speed wise, we're down to 30 again. Here we are, passing the cemetery. That's my dad buried over there. And here we are. And come on, dude. And I'm gonna here we are, we're going down by the river now. I might have to pause this baby here. I'm starting to do like a daily kind of like a documentary, if you will, video documentary maybe. I don't know. I just like video logging, and I like to be out with my dog. I like to film nature. And there's a lot of nature around here, a lot of beauty, and I know a lot of beautiful people. And especially my friends on YouTube here. Here we go. Here's one of my favorite little parks I like to go to down by the water, the river. And we're just pulling in here. The dog loves this. And I bring him around. And then we got some birds out here and stuff too. Quite a few birds. Okay. Oh, I love this video Cher's when this song is playing. Lows of the Low. Cher, let's see, it's Black, a little Kezier, and a drummer, I can't remember his name. But he's not with them, so it's alright. Alright, alright guys, I'm gonna pause this right now.